What's up guys, Diego from Pete and Pedro. I'm gonna be showing you how I do my hair with the sea salt spray by Pete and Pedro, the putty, and the freeze spray. So let's put it together and see what kind of magic we can make. So my hair's already a little bit damp. I'm just gonna take the sea salt, there we go. Just get it all the way in there. And that way we have a good base to start off with. Up next, let's hit it with the blow dryer. All right, after we have unlocked next level volume, so I'm gonna be taking the Pete and Pedro putty and I'm gonna take a small little dab of it. First, we gotta emulsify this, just like that. Just start kind of rubbing it in there. I like to start with the back of my head because that's how you can get the most amount of volume. All right, so I think we're just about finished with this hairstyle. I decided to go with a bit of an asymmetrical part. That's kind of like where a piece of your hair goes to the side, the other piece goes this way, just to give it a little bit of that messiness, yet still keeping it on point. Just like that. Okay, so after hitting the look that we want, I'm gonna hit it with some freeze spray. So this honestly gives you so much hold, and I was very surprised. Okay guys, this is the final look. We got a lot of volume, a lot of texture, and a lot of hold thanks to the freeze spray. So if you haven't already picked up some Pete and Pedro, I highly recommend it. You're gonna have good looking hair for the entire day. So yeah guys, that's my input. You should get some Pete and Pedro. I'll see you later.